Good evening, guys. Today we are gathered for another video. It's normally about design thinking concept. So everybody is aware of the design thinking of 5 stages right now. So today we are going to discuss the topic about CAD modeling. So normally the CAD modeling is an advancement of 2D diagrams. So it plays a vital role in industries, especially in manufacturing and production industries. So based on that criteria, we are going to discuss as a design thinking concept by implementing how it has been evolved during stage-by-stage process. So as for considering the first step is an empathy, I would like to hear some. Anyone take the point of empathy and discuss here.
Empathy means they're going to tell about the main point of the object. In an AutoCAD like CAD modeling, CAD defines as the computer aided designing. In previous long times, designers used to have many problems like they are visualizing the 2D objects. Like there are many of the lack of visualization. They have lack of visualization. In previous designers are lack of visualization, and they are in the place of 2D places in
It's about
tolerances and in have a problem in dimensions. They are not given in 2D places like flat only and flat images, not in 3D views, and manually errors there in 2D images.
So this is good one, right? He has concerned about how 3D is necessary. So for that we have to came to base like how 2D makes an impact or what are the disadvantages that the designer faces later. So this is the some of the conceptual design phases. So now I like to go for how it can be defined. So how it can be able to evaluate the particular points later.
Sir, I'm going to talk about the advancement of from 2D modeling to 3D modeling. So here earlier on the object, the 2D modeling is face many problems as he says. So they face many problems like lack of accuracy. So they brought a new idea that is a 3D modeling. Sir. In 3D modeling, they can see the depth of the length and width of the object. So they can create a accurate thing so that the engineers can make a conversation with the clients or with the engineers to make a clear object, sir. So in the 3D modeling, the image can be viewed in depth of length and width. So here after the bringing of 3D modeling, there are lack of time and the errors are reduced. So there are many advantages are in the 3D modeling. So these improvement in the 2D from 3D, they make a clear cut on the objects.
So this is the main point. Right? So how the from 2D is 3D has been evaluated and what is the purpose of involving the 3D structure for design has been defined here purposefully. So let's go for ideating. Can you tell about the ideate process?
Yes, I'm going to tell about the ideate stage. So in this ideate stage, we are going to generate different design ideas and solutions for the problems. Using CAD softwares like AutoCAD and SolidWorks, we can come up with different ideas of designs, and we can explore shapes, structures, width, length, and all those using those software, and we can generate all ideas. This helps us in designing many industrial products and also in architectural products designs, and also in product designs like engineering,
Mechanics or engineering conceptual designs. Right? So this is a valid point. Right? So without designing structure of ideate, what the product we are going to develop, this we cannot be able to satisfy the customers. So based on that, we have to develop a prototype also based on the ideas they are given from we are taken from the customers. We have to develop or what is the need for the customers. So the prototype makes a vital role. So there is a lot of stages in prototype. Anyone can, from both of you, anyone can explain.
Sir, I'm going to talk about prototype, sir. The prototype is the before stage while coming to testing, sir. In prototype, we can find errors, detailing, and flaws where the production team has been done. From using prototype, we can increase the production rate of the product, sir. In CAD designing, there are three types of prototype are used: low fledged prototype, high fledged prototype, and functional prototype, sir. In low fledged prototype, they were used for just for sketching rough diagrams, sir. They mainly are focused on dimension accuracy. Just they will be developing the rough sketch outline of the design, sir, which is not suitable for that much amount. Next come to high fledged prototype, where it is fully focused on modeling and accuracy, and dimensions were noted, and the model are created in a good befitting manner. And while coming to next stage, functional prototype, the fully function model are implemented in the software, sir, where the software will be rectify the errors where the dimensions have been solved and the motions have been developed. Then another optional, they will be having a runtime prototype, sir, where it can be used for fully functional CAD design or CAD model, where it will be completely shown as the full structured view of the models. This should be an idea.
This is a very made point.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing those three steps, right? So three stages of a
Yes.
prototype model. So can you tell about the testing process?
Yes, sir. I'm going to speak about the final stage of the DT. It's testing, sir, and it's the most important stage on it because testing is the before stage of handovering product to the customers and the model, sir. It will actually reduce their production cost when its error came, sir. If we produce the product without testing, there will be more errors. So we would want to rectify the errors to every product, sir. Even the more products has been dispatched already. When it's testing, sir, we'll push the product to its utmost level to test its reliability and more, sir. It's a final stage and it's the most important stage of it.
So as I said, prototype, everything is prototype or everything is some major project. But when you can developing the product, we need to go undergo the testing. In industry terms, they call it time is money, right?
Yes.
So whenever the time is saved for a particular product, the profit will be increases. So based on that criteria, the testing is most and plays a vital role in every industry. So according to the design thinking concept also, we need to test that particular product for changing the time or reducing the time or increasing the flexibility. Everything comes under, every process comes under the testing model. So hope everybody discussed the vital points in CAD designing. Thank you for joining.